Hey everyone, it's Trent with Texan Inspection up here in an attic without any light, so pardon the lighting I got on this video, but I wanted to show you something that's really important. I'm going to try to turn this around and show you. Here is a water heater with the flue pipe that has become disconnected. And you see that? The flue pipe, I'm going to get my light in the right place, and it's disconnected from where it should be right there. Flashlight's acting up. Anyway, and here it is. That's where it is. It's fallen off. How much fun is that, huh? So it's that's actually a dangerous situation. This could be venting carbon monoxide into the house because it's heavier. It's just venting gases right into the attic. And you think, well, the attic's ventilated and it should just go out, but it's a heavier gas and it settles down and it'll go into the cracks and crevices and cause problems. So this is something we're definitely going to mention. This has to get fixed now. We're going to call somebody and actually tell them about this. This is actually a life-threatening situation. So those are some of the things we get to find, and that's the tip of the day. Make sure your flue on your water heater is connected to where it's supposed to go out. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. All right, we'll talk to y'all later. Bye.